By the end of this video, you will understand how astronomers find the invisible disks where alien moons are born, and why a tilted orbit completely rewrites a planet's history. First, let's look at our target. GQ Lupi B, a massive object orbiting a distant star surrounded by a chaotic environment. The crucial concept here is the protolunar disk. This is not a disk that makes planets around a star. It is a disk that makes moons around the planet. Now here is the surprise. When scientists looked at this object in mid-infrared light, they saw extra heat. That heat is the friction of dust forming into moons. Even wilder, this disk has a giant hole in the middle. The dust is missing because newly formed moons have already swept it up. Scientists also found a massive tilt. GQ Lupi B orbits at an 84-degree angle compared to the star's main disk. It is practically sideways. This extreme tilt means GQ Lupi B probably had a violent past, perhaps getting kicked out of its original orbit by another planet. To eat this gas and dust, GQ Lupi B uses intense magnetic fields. Like Earth's auroras, these fields funnel gas down to the surface, making it glow. By reading this glowing light, or spectra, scientists can literally measure how fast the planet is eating. You now understand how protolunar disks work and why magnetic fields are key to moon formation. This knowledge helps you see the invisible architecture of the universe.